All right, guys, so what we're about to do is test the pump, the fuel pump. I already got it hooked up here. The jumper cable's here, and I have me a little leader just to see if I can get it to turn over. So let's give it a try. So I got my positive and ground. I'm gonna give it a little hit. No, it does nothing. I'm just gonna switch it just in case I got it going the wrong way. Yeah, it just hits. No spinning or nothing, so it seems like a jam. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and pop the fuel pump out. Just because it's been sitting for 5 years, it still could be some gunk on there that's just making it stop up and not work. So I wanna exhaust this option first before we jump in and go buy a new fuel pump. So I'm gonna take this out, try to take the fuel pump apart, clean it up, and let's see, can we start from there.
So it's already at a hyperlapse, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is the problem right here.
Oh. Find it? Figure it out?
I think I got it. It's broke. The fuel pump.
Oh, snap.
God, if I can get this thing out.
So this could very well be what was causing all the problems.
This is definitely the issue.
So let me try to see if I can.
Oh, there we go. Finally got this thing out. And here's the piece that was broke off in there.
Oh, okay.
Man, see, it's really rusty, and I'm pretty sure
should have been together.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna need a new fuel pump on this one. I mean, this is pretty significantly damaged. Okay, so here's the fuel pump. It appears to be, there's a piece missing that goes on the top of here. This right here, this piece was a loose, and it was just dangling in the pump. And so this actually reads how much gas you have in your tank. So I do know about that part, but still, when I put power to it, it doesn't do anything. So I'm like, well, it's not gonna hurt to take it apart. So I'm gonna take it apart and see what I can find, because hey, that's what I like to do. Figure out why it's not working. But I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna order a new one instead of messing around with it.
So this part has to be working in order for the bike to work.
Yep, gotta get gas. Your car has a fuel pump.
Now, it's different from a car, right?
No, same thing. But if you didn't have a fuel pump on your car, it wouldn't go. Wow, look at that. That's just, that shouldn't be like that.
Wow.
So it appears that, I guess over time, if water stays inside a fuel pump, if gas stays inside a fuel pump for a while, it must turn into water, maybe, because this fuel pump is completely rusted. It shouldn't look like that. I'm just gonna order a brand new one and put it in, and we're gonna, even if this is not the problem, definitely I really think it is, it definitely needs another fuel pump either way it goes. All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel. And now let's game plan on this. So I went over and did the fuel pump. The fuel pump was really rusted. As you can see in the video, I already ordered a new one. So now we're about to jump in and go ahead and start assembling the tail section. So let's get to work. This is the top tail section. I'm very impressed with the people who painted it. Man, these parts came out looking phenomenal. Look at that. Flawless. Definitely well worth it. Definitely well worth. Very high quality. The paintwork is very good. It's the actual plastic. It's actually not OEM, but it's a replica of the OEM, but very well. So hopefully these fit up really nice. All right, you guys, so now what I gotta do is I gotta drop these exhausts down so I can slide this tail piece underneath it, and then we can connect the light and then start finishing up on the top part. So this is probably the hardest part because I really don't know exactly how it goes on. because the bike was in the accident. So pretty much I see all the points where it needs to go, so I'm gonna go do it that way. Let's go. It smells like something burning on it. Oh crap.
What's wrong?
That's my battery terminal.
Is that
Holy
what's
crap.
giving the odor?
Yeah, I feel it. It's hot.
Oh, jeez.
How's
it hot by itself? It's not even on.
Yeah, but the battery's hot. Something must be touching it.
Is it gonna explode? Huh?
That's weird. No, I don't think it will.
It's comforting.
Oh, look, it's smoking.
It's smoking?
Yeah.
Oh
It's
my
burning it.
What is making it burn? I don't get it.
I don't get it either. Now, let's put it down. The way I think it goes is burning the plastic.
Oh, is it battery acid?
No. Wow, let's straight burn the plastic.
Holy crap.
I've never seen that before.
Wow.
I'm gonna take this off for right now. Weird, it's not even metal to metal, so I don't know why this plastic piece would burn. Well, it burned a hole in this spot. That's crazy.
Right there.
Yeah, it was arcing right here for some reason, but
Yeah, I saw the smoke.
this is plastic. I don't know, crazy.
Man. Hope it doesn't explode. Probably explain that for a second, what happened there.
So I really don't know exactly why, for what reason, why it was arcing on this battery terminal. I mean, the battery terminal is down, and that was a plastic piece, and I don't know why that it was burning the actual plastic on it. I mean, this terminal right now is still a little warm, but that is odd. I never seen that before. I mean, of course, if it was metal on this, I could understand, but that was completely plastic, and it actually started smoking. Because I was just sitting here, I was like, man, I know I can smell something, and I didn't know where it was coming from. But it's definitely coming from the battery terminal. But
Crazy.
so we don't take that off for a second. I'll investigate that later. I got to get this thing done. So let's go ahead and put this back tail section on. Throw in the tail light. So let's see how this goes. I'm really not fond of this one because it has a lot of, if you can see, the lights need to be cleaned up really good. So look like whoever I ordered from off eBay, they just threw it in the box and right off the bike. But I think it'll be good to go after it's clean. But I'm gonna go ahead and stick it on now because I am trying to get this thing done as quickly as possible. Now you want to see a problem. After all that work I did to put this bottom tail on, I can't put this through here now. So now I have to take it back off, stick the light under, and then put it up again.
Wah, wah, wah.
Cycle of life. So I'm not even gonna say let's get to work. let's just do it.
Get her done.
Get her done.
Stay in the south.
So as they say, second time is a charm. So now I got the bottom section dropped down, and so all I'm gonna do is stick my tail light in. It slides into place like that. Put my 2 screws in. Call this baby good. Bam. Got it back together. I know, guys, these stock exhausts is like the best thing on the planet. Like, don't diss the stock exhaust, because now I'm just playing. I should have did aftermarket, but I wanted to put this bike together all stock, bone straight from the factory. So that's why we're doing this on this one. All right, guys. So I know this bike is not what everybody was looking for. Something that was a little bit out the park and wild. I'm sorry we went stock with this bike, and we're keeping it simple, but on the next build. So you make sure, if you haven't done so already, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, because I'm gonna tell you the next build, you don't wanna miss this one. We're going full out, big tire kit, nitrous. We're doing the whole 9, custom paint job, speakers, everything, you name it. Okay, so now what we're about to do is get ready to put the top part on. I also got to put the key in, so whenever I have my cigarettes in the back seat, you know, I can just pull them out, bam, the cigarettes are there. So
He doesn't smoke.
don't tell everybody what I don't do. I smoke on my free time. So I gotta get my lock on here. So I actually bought a whole new key set that I have to put on here. Even though I found the factory key to this, the tank cap is actually destroyed, so I can't use the same tank cap. So I had to get a whole new key set, so I'm gonna put the whole new set on there. Whole new key set right here. Bam! I got the keys. Y'all feel like DJ Khaled. Yep. I got the keys. All right, so here we go. We got to throw this on our panel here. Pretty simple. We just got to take the old clip off from the old fairing, wherever it's at. Here's a new key set, and all you should do is just slide your clip in like that. There she goes.
It's that easy.
It's that easy. Now I already know that I'm missing a few clips that needs to be, which I'm gonna have to go by Cycle Gear and get those. But this puppy is ready.
Pretty. There we go.
Just like that. Get that snap back in place. Looks good. Everything lining up good. And these fairings are great.
It's pretty.
Everything looks really good on the bike. Oh. No, it ain't gonna work. I'm missing a piece. I'm missing a piece off the lock. I got to have something that holds. I need to have something that holds this back. So I'm missing a piece. Because when I turn the key switch, when I turn this, it's supposed to pull it. So before I put that on, I can't do that because I'll be locked out. So I need to get this attached before I even try to do that. So we're gonna hold off on doing that until I order another piece for the key switch for the trunk to hold that in place. Now, I guess I could hook up my tail lights to see if they work. All right, so I got the tail light connected, so let's see if we got power to it.
All right.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Nice.
Ooh, look at that. Yeah.
I actually like that that flash on it. I don't know if that's factory or aftermarket. I don't know. Somebody let me know if that's factory or aftermarket, but that's pretty cool. I like that. That's pretty neat. Hold up. Wait, 1 minute. I found the piece. I found the piece that I needed. So this right here is the piece that goes on the back of the latch to hold it so I can be able to pop the trunk, well, which is the back seat. So just give me 1 minute. Let's put that on right quick. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. We're good. Let's see what that back seat looks like. I need a new back seat. That got bent. This your seat though.
Looks like it needs some love. Nice.
Need a lot of love. Any back seats on this? Yep, that's it. So it's on, but if you can tell that, you know, we have a spoiler that goes on. So this was custom done on the accident. Like it got a nice little spoiler for aerodynamics when she's not on the bike, so I can go faster. That's what that's for. So if y'all hit me up if y'all want this custom spoiler on the back of your motorcycle, because you know this is one of a kind. Guys, that's a wrap. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.
Is it a wrap for real now?
It's a wrap. We done. We finished. Finito. I'm about to go get something to eat. I hope you're gonna eat something too, because I'm about to. I'm hungry.